Updating your legal name on Bamboo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Bamboo account. Access your Bamboo account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account settings. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Name Change option. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Ensure that you enter your name exactly as it appears on your legal documents to avoid any discrepancies. Step 5. Submit your changes. After entering your new name, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification indicating that your name has been updated. By following these steps, you can quickly update your legal name on Bamboo. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.